Alright guys, I wanted to show you today the Singer HD500 Classic. As you can see, this thing is one beautiful sewing machine. Of course, the big draw here is going to be its design, the black metallic finish. But if you're just looking for an everyday workhorse, one that's going to be simple enough for beginners to use, this might be the one for you. So I'm going to show you how it works, what comes in the box. I'll also demonstrate it by hemming some pants. So I'll show you the features first. So as with any good sewing machine, you're going to have a lot of standard features that comes with it, including this one. So you can change the stitch just by turning the dial right here. Right above that, you'll be able to change the length. But in addition to that, as you can see with the stitches, there's actually 3 types for each stitch. So you can use that length dial to change to the other 2 stitches by switching to S1 or S2. Right around to the right here, you do have your hand precision wheel here, and then the power switch right below it. Coming back up top, you're going to have your width dial here. You'll be able to change the needle position with this dial, left, center, or right. And then you can change the thread tension with this dial. This is where you're going to be able to load your bobbin. And then if you do need to move this thing around, it comes with this handle that just flips right up like that. Over here, you have your thread tension dial, so you can just turn it to the left or the right to change the tension. Coming around to this left side, you have your thread cutter here. And then you're going to be able to easily thread using this thread assistance tool here. Below all that, you're going to have a compartment here that you can use to store things. And the nice thing is it does open towards you. But as a bonus, this does actually come off like so. So this is going to be great if you're, hemming pants, shorts, or working with sleeves. You'll be able to loop it right through real easily like that. Of course, you're going to have your pedal here as well. And it does also come with a storage bag for you to be able to cover it and protect it from dust. There's also going to be a bag full of accessories. So you're going to have several different presser feet to choose from, extra needles, and a bunch of other goodies. So as you can see, you have everything that you really need to get started. The only things you need to provide are some scissors and some thread. All right, let's talk about the basics of how to get this thing set up, and then I'm going to hem some shorts to show you how it works. All right, guys, so as with any sewing machine, the first thing you'll want to do is get things set up as far as your threads. So go ahead and put your spool of thread up here. So let's go ahead and secure this into place first. And then you're going to see all these markings up here showing you exactly how to thread this thing. And then we'll go ahead and load that bobbin. All right, once it's loaded, go ahead and remove it. And then we'll go ahead and put it in here. You can just press that little button to flip this up, remove the cover, put it in. And then it's as easy as taking that and pushing it out towards the back. All right, and then we'll take this, kind of unravel it from there, go back to the number 1, and then you'll see a number 2. Number 3 goes here, around, over that, over here. And then you just want to push everything towards the back. You will just also want to loop the thread through. So that just involves turning that hand wheel towards you, and then you're going to see a loop come up. And then once that loop comes up, you can just take this cover like I like to do, and then just push everything back. All right, so as mentioned, I just want to hem some shorts today, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a simple hem just by folding it inwards like that, and then we'll go ahead and remove this guy. And then basically, we want to start off by doing a reverse stitch on it, so we'll go ahead and put that down. And then that's where this lever comes in. Push it down so it'll do a reverse stitch. And then let go, and then we can move forward again. So let's do it. All right, perfect. Got to the end, do another back stitch. Lift this guy up, push back. Use that very handy thread cutter. Cut off the excess. And there we have it. A nice simple hem that we did ourselves, saved 30 bucks without having to go to the tailor. So definitely awesome. Definitely something that you want in every household. All right, guys, I hope that helps you decide whether this thing will be right for you today. But as you can see, very easy to use, very reliable. So if you're looking for a sewing machine, definitely check this thing out.